Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sarah. And before I do the song, a little mini geography lesson. This song tells a story of a young woman living in Alabama, which is my home state. And when you hear it mention the town Meridian, that I don't know how many of you are familiar with that part of the country, but that's actually refers to Meridian, Mississippi, which is a town in eastern Mississippi, which is, of course, across the line from western Alabama. So now that you know geographically where we are, this song is called Red Dirt Girl, and it's by Emmylou Harris. Me and my best friend Lillian and a blue tick hound on Gideon, sitting on the front porch, cooling in the shade, singing every song that the radio played, waiting for the Alabama sun to go down. Two red dirt girls in a red dirt town, me and Lillian. Just across the line and a little southeast of Meridian. She loved her brother, I remember back when he was fixing up a 49 Indian. He told her little sister, gonna ride the wind up around the moon and back again. He never got farther than Vietnam. I was standing there with her when the telegram come for Lillian. Now his lying somewhere about 1,000,000 miles from Meridian. Said there's not much hope for a red dirt girl. Somewhere out there is a great big world, and that's where I'm bound. And the stars might fall on Alabama, but one of these days I wanna swing my hammer down, away from this red dirt town. I'm gonna make a joyful sound. She grew up tall and she grew up thin, buried that old dog Gideon by a crepe myrtle bush in the back of the yard. Daddy turned mean and her mama leaned hard. She got in trouble with a boy from town, figured that she might as well settle down, so she dug right in. Just across the line and a little southeast of Meridian. And she tried hard to love him, but it never did take. Just another way for her heart to break, so she learned to bend. One thing they don't tell you about the blues, when you gotta keep on falling, 'cause there ain't no bottom and there ain't no end. At least not for Lillian. Nobody knows when she started her skid. She was only 27 and she had 5 kids. Could have been the whiskey, could have been the pills, could have been a dream she was trying to kill. But there won't be a mention in the news of the world about the life and the death of a red dirt girl named Lillian, who never got any further across the line than Meridian. Now the stars still fall on Alabama. Tonight she finally laid her hammer down without a sound in the red dirt ground.